Okay, welcome to our YouTube training. The objective today is to see how we can produce a plan that shows the localization of our area of interest or our zone of interest. It's very important that we produce in every project, we produce a map that shows where the project has been executed so that any individual or a cooperative or an NGO can know where our job was or where the research was being done. Okay, we are going to use we are going to do this with ArcGIS Pro. The first thing we are going to see, if you look, we're going to see the data we have. We have a satellite data of the area of our working area. You're going to see it. Let me see. Yeah, this is satellite data of our working area. Then we have the shape files, vector layers. This is it. Vector layers of our areas of interest. That is, this work was done in the nation Cameroon, in the southwest region of Cameroon, in the division of Fako. So here we are going to see something like arrondissement, which means subdivision. Cameroon is divided into subdivisions. Then I'm going to see Cameroon, yes, shapefile of Cameroon. I have to verify if everything is there. Department, the divisions in Cameroon. Okay, so let's just go right away. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to import the shapefile of Cameroon to locate the region where the work was done, because Cameroon is divided into 10 regions. We have the northwest, southwest, east, north, littoral, east, etc. So I want to locate where the region the work was done. So I'm going to come here to Kato database. I'm going to look for Cameroon National. Cameroon, this is Cameroon shapefile. Yes, just empty like that. Then I'm going to upload the different division. Limit regional, that means regional limit. So unfortunately our database is in French, but it's no problem. So we have the regional limit. So we have these are the different the limit, these are the different regions in Cameroon. So now we can, we can, for the color here, we can give the different regions different colors, or we can base color with no color, and then the outline color, let's give something thicker. Then we go to selection by attribute. We want to select, and the work was done in the southwest region of Cameroon. So we want to select or query out the southwest region of Cameroon. We look at names. So we get unique value. We can go to the attribute tables. This is the attribute tables and the regional limit of Cameroon. We open our attribute table. We are going to notice that the names of the different regions were written under the field num. That's why I went to selection, to the select by query, to select name num. So I'm going to come to num southwest. This is southwest. Okay. So I'm going to again select by attribute. I come down to num, then get unique value. I come down to num equal southwest. Verified. They can verify if the query there's nothing wrong with the syntax. I say okay, I can apply. See the southwest has been activated. I say okay. Then I go back there. I say okay. I said and create layer from selected feature. I want to, the objective is to isolate the division of the region of southwest region of Cameroon. We want to isolate southwest region of Cameroon. So it has been site selected. So I can now come now and name it limit regional selection, which is the southwest, and now name it southwest. Southwest region. Okay. Then the other colors now, the other regions in Cameroon, I can give a unique color. We can decide to give a unique color like this for all the other regions. In the southwest, I can look for, let's see this. Okay, let's get rid of the activate the selected mode. Okay, that's the southwest region of Cameroon. So I can now put all the names of the regions. I can label the names on the different regions on the map. Come to label. I want to label. What do I want to label? No. I say okay. Okay, now and so my database is in French, but I want to put all these names in English. All this Northwest, Adamo, all this I want it to be in English because the research was done in English. So I can open the attribute table and I get there to the I get to the section of none to the field. And this no, I cannot activate, I cannot edit anything in this field. So before I want to edit anything in this field, before you want to edit anything in a field in an attributable, it must be the layer must be in the editor mode. It must be in the editing mode. So I come to editor and I take start editing. Now it's now in the editing mode. I can now come now and I want to put this in English. This is a stream node. You have node. Adamawa means Adamawas. You have northwest. You have southwest. Okay, these are the names have already been edited. So I'll come back to and I stop editing. I've been asked you, do you want to save edit? Yes, we want to save edit. Okay, and close now. Okay. Now we want to put this under this in the frame, this region in the frame. So what we're going to do now, we're going to come down here. We're going to see an icon. We click the icon. Now this is in French, right? Okay. So we can take it up here. If we want our yes, we want take it up there. We adjust. Then we can we can zoom in and out using this button. We want to zoom out. Okay. We can move the train itself using the hand pan. We can centralize it using the hand pan. Then we can remove the hand pan using this mode. Then let's zoom in. Yes. Everything is visible. Yes. Don't forget coordinate have to come around the coordinate system with a grid. Let's move a bit. Okay. Down. And let me take selection. Okay. We can okay. Now let us before we want to put the different names of the legend, the not arrow. Let's see, we can put a not arrow. Let's be done with that. We can put a not arrow here. I say, okay, this is a not arrow. I want to take not arrow, put it here. We can put a scale bar, put it in kilometers. Okay, here we can zoom to reduce the height of the scale bar. Okay. Hello, Abba. Woman, Abba. Yes. Who's ID? That's quite. Yes. 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 So we have put the title. The title to insert the title. We just came here. Sorry, we came here where there's title. We enter the title. And delete this. Then we enter the title. So this is the title of the map. Okay. Okay, now let us see how we can. This is the southwest region of Cameroon. The southwest region of Cameroon is divided into different subdivision, into different division rather. It is divided into different division. So what was done in the southwest region of Cameroon in the FACO division. So we want to get to the FACO division. Okay. So we can come now to insert data frame. We are coming to click on data frame. We want to add another data frame, another frame. So this is a new frame. Then on this new frame now we are coming to look for uh, this southwest Cameroon. But now let us see how we can create a shapefile of this southwest Cameroon. So let's come here, right click and export to cart, export data. We want to export data. Let's see where we want to export it. Let me export it. What folder am I going to use? Let us export it to query project. Yeah, let's export it there. Let's give the name Southwest. Sorry, my Southwest Cam. Okay, Southwest Cameroon. Shapefile, this file type. Let us use the shapefile. Let's save. Okay, let's come now. This data frame now. Let us add data. Let us go to query. Remember it was query. Southwest. Okay, this is Southwest. Can reduce it. Let's reduce the frame. Okay, let us insert uh, the different subdivisions. So these are the different divisions in Cameroon's department regional. But okay, so these are the different divisions. Uh, let's put Southwest top. There's still no color. Let's put a long color to be more red. So these are the different divisions. Okay. Now let us label the names of the divisions. The names are too big. We can take 5 or 7 or 6. We can take textile, time Roman. Let us use a uniform textile. Okay, so we can see our division FACO. This is the FACO, this is FACO, where we are doing the project. So now let's go and query out FACO selection. So see our attributes, we are working with divisions. We go to name, get unique value to see all the, now we come now name equal FACO. We can search FACO, this is FACO. We verify the syntax. Okay. Now applied. Okay. Can now create our, can now isolate the layer from selected feature. This is it. FACO division. Okay. Okay, good. Now we can use the drawing tool. Double click this. We use another tool, the drawing tool line. Come here. Okay. Look at the size of the line. We can change the color. Okay, we can now okay, we can change the color of the outline color of the division. I'll put some more black to make it a bit thicker. Okay. Let's for the FACO division, let's give some sort of a shouting color. We already here we have the regional limit. The regional limit have a curve. Let's put a color with the regional limit. Let the outline color of the regional limit. Let it be like red. Static. I'll reduce it so that we should not confuse it with the divisional limit. Okay. Then now we can add another frame. We can if we think that it is too small, we can even enlarge it to make our work look more bigger. Yes, enlarge it like this. Depend on your work. Now you can use the zoom in. Let's say we call it distributed. And now it will show that I can use the pan to move my own limit. You can zoom. Now, a point of interest is the focal division, so I need to zoom in. So that means obviously orientate my lines. Use delete. Okay, now we can create another frame. Let's convert this to export data. The same. Okay, query. We name it this one now FACO shapefile. Save. We go now to insert data frame. Let us add another frame. Okay, we're going to add another frame. Move it down. Let us add Faco. Faco. Remember, the folder name was query. Okay. Let us give no color. View color should be no color. Then we can take along color to be black. Let's see how we can upload the satellite image. This satellite image was found in, we go to connect to folder, to go to school project. We have geographic image, this is it. Okay, you can select all, we add, yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we have seen actually where the work was done. We can reduce it, or we are going to need another frame that shows only the slide image. You can just add the map is empty, you can add localities. Well, let us first of all, let's add another frame. Reduce the maps. Okay. Here we bring it down. Okay, let us add just the stellar image, all these are stellar images here. Okay. Mm, let's add some localities. It will go to also add some localities so that the map should not be empty. You'll see we can add some localities. Let's label localities. unknown village. These are villages. Let's see what will happen. So the names. The names are we can the names are not we can say okay, let us change the properties. Let us look at the text style. Okay, it should be completely right. If we have hydrographic surface, it will be good to add there. This is national road. Let's see how here we can. So we have added the shape files of we have added shape files of rivers. We have added shape files of rivers. Yeah, we have added shape files of forest. So it now looks like this. It now looks like this. But the job actually was done on the three zone. There was a zone known as Bulu. There was a zone known as Wotutu. It's just like three villages that the job was done. So let us create a shape file for the villages. From the satellite image, we can geolocate where we did the job. So let us go here somewhere. Let me use this query. Then let me create new shape file. Let us name it like research area. It was a point. Then the coordinate system, we're going to use projected coordinate system, universal transverse method, and we're going to use world geodetic system, north hemisphere, it is in zone 32 north, zone 32, okay, point, okay. So we have created a new shapefile for research area. So let's just go there to label the name. Let's open. Let's add a field. Add field. Let's just give it a field name, the name of the village. It will be an integer. No, it's going to be a text, and the maximum value of the text should be 20. Yes. Okay. Then we can start to edit. We can go now to editor, start edit. We want to edit research center or research area. Okay. Research area. Okay, we take our point. Come the first point, we are going to put around the work was done. This was done. This was what this area is known as Wotutu. So we are going to was the name of the area. Then we had my 4. So we have the research area. These are the research areas. This is where the project was being carried out. Here, you can label the names. We see that the map is too. The map looks more crowded. We can remove some layers, especially for the localities. Okay, okay. Now the next thing we are going to do is to add the legend. First, let's add the grid here. To add the grid here, we're just going to right click the properties. We come under grid, new grid. Next, do you want to tick a level and change the size? Next, next. Let's apply to see how it looks like. So that's how it falls. We don't want our at the left right we want the grid to be to be vertical. So we are going to we want it to be vertical. So we are going to go to properties. We are going to go to level, vertical, left and right. Then the other ones will be okay. They will say okay, applied. Yes, we now see the grid at level. If it is not visible, we can still go into properties. We can add the size of the grid to be 9 instead of 6. Apply. Okay. Apply. Okay, yeah, you can see now it is the grid are. Then we can come now here. We can take properties. We can take new grid. We want also, okay, what do we want? We want tick and marks. The size, let the size be 4. Okay, next, next, finish. Let's take apply to see how it looks like. It's too much, right? What is, we are going to look at the interval. We want the left and the right to be vertical. Then the interval now, we can take, this is degree, minute and second. We can take 1 minute. We can take 1 minute. Let's see. Applied. Okay. Applied. Yes. The 1 minute is good, but we have a lot of coordinates. It's not important to have it so we can see good properties. We take 2 minutes or 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Applied. Okay. Applied. Okay. So that is how I create. Can reduce this. Okay. Then now we can take our, we can look at the title. Title here. We can delete the title here. Because the title, our title here doesn't really, we can give a new title. You can say localization of the Fako division in Cameroon, because I want to make a map that shows the localization of Fako division in Cameroon. Come to insert, just take text instead of title. This is a text. Zoom there. We will take localization. And take S 18. Let me take 200 times 1. Let's take okay to look how it look. Okay, it's too big. Can I take 16? Then here will be, and copy and paste and give localization of area of research in Fako division. Localization of research area, research localities. In Fako division. Localization of research localities in Fako division. Okay. So this coordinate will, okay. So we can give now the text style here. Maybe we can change the text style of divisions. Text style wasn't the best. It was rather too small. The label we can put 9. Apply for the divisions. Let's see. For 14 is too big. So it's just left to you to see how you can edit it. Okay. Okay. Now we will put the legend. We have the division as Southwest Cameroon. We have the division of Ako is the background color. You put this. Okay. How the Fako. So let's put it in order of hierarchy. You can move the legend here. You can select. You can select like this. If you want to edit the legend, you can select. It's already selected. Then we right click, convert to graphic. Right. Convert to graphic. It has already converted. Then we want to, ungroup. Let's already ungroup. Let's see if we can read. Ungroup. Let's ungroup. Okay. Now I want to first of all start with the divisional limit. Regional limit. Now come out to divisional limit. Come out to Faku. So there should be some sort of hierarchy. In the legend, we could have arranged this, the level of the legend, but we did not take note of this. Okay. Now take ungroup. I want to ungroup it. I want to ungroup this ungroup again because I want to put on the regional limit. Okay, we have the divisional limit. We have Faco division. This one's okay. You can put this to key. And group everything. Okay. You can now choose your normal relation should be that, Okay, we are done there. Come down here, we do the same thing. We create the leg, we create the key. Okay, down here we come select legend. Okay, for the legend, research area, the ones we don't want, we should move localities. Now we're going to use the localities. Yeah, let's use it for now. Rivers, we're going to use rivers. After that, national roads, we're going to use national roads. We're going to use a national road. Domain forest here, forest domain. We're not going to use it communal forest. We're not going to use forest community. We're not going to use, let's just select what we're not going to use. This, potato. Okay, so we're going to use domain forest here. Let's see. Whatever we're not going to use, we're going to delete. National road is there. Road, this one we're not going to use. So we have seen that how we have seen the cartographic reduction. We have seen that these are area the point, localities, the villages are point, rivers are line, hydroline, we're not going to use you. Road national road line, forest, domain forest permanent, that's a permanent forest, those are polygon. Okay, the background color we want to put the gray. Okay, so it's good to save your project in case light goes off. Just save it somewhere in the desktop. Go where my highlight somewhere there. Okay. Okay, we are going to ungroup this because we need to change this domain forestier non-permanent in English. And this Riviere localities, everything we have in French, you have to change in English. Our key should not be mixed. We shouldn't be having under English and French. Okay, we are going to change this localities point to villages. You can now group, select, then we right click, we group and reduce the size. What do we need? We need a not arrow here. We take look for a not arrow. Can use this. So what do we need? The leg, um, scale. Kilometer. Okay. Then what do we need? We need a data source. We need data source. Data source is we have the National Institute. We got our data from the National Institute of Cartography. Okay, we can come here. We take text. Uh, We write data source, National Institute of Cartography. We have another data source and Google Earth Pro, GPS, field data collection. I'll take it here. We can reduce the police or the size. Yes, we can take 9. Let's use a time remote. Okay, okay. Then what is menu? You can write a projection. It's good. It's always good. On UTM, WGS 1984, Universal Transverse Method, Zone 32 North. Then you can put Southwest Cameroon. You change the size, take 9, 8. Now it is good that you should put the names of the names of the research areas. Let's go there. Practice. Let's take label, name. We would like to use the color. Let's take apply to see how it appears. The color is not good for the eye. Let's take yellow. Let's take apply to see how it appears. Yeah, if we cannot take yellow for the colors and the symbols. We take yellow. It will not be good. Okay. And now let's try to modify, the symbols. We can take what color can we take? We can take. Let's take this. We have to go now to our legend to see, and it will not be able to change automatically from our legend. So not to complicate ourselves, let us take the yellow. Let us maintain the yellow. Instead, change the text style, the text color. Okay, we can use something else. We must not use I was looking at the vegetation cover, and yellow was the most preferable color to, to overshadow the vegetation. We can use blue. So this is our map. Yeah, so the map, at the end of the day, we have succeeded to produce a map that shows and our region of studies, which is the southwest region of Cameroon. Then in the southwest region of Cameroon, we have shown the division where the work is being done, the FACO division. Then in the FACO division, we have shown with our satellite image, we have indicated where the work is being, the research is being done. Then now from the satellite image, we zoom now, or we zoom out to our area of studies, to the precise locality where we are doing the area of study. And the studies was done in Bolu, my 16, let me zoom again, was done in Bolu, my 16, and was also done in Wututu and my 14. So the agricultural studies was carried out in 4 zones. Okay, then you can export. You come here, file, and export map, print, page and print setup. You look, you see export map, export. So you can export with PDF, export this. It depends on what you want. But before you want to export, you have to come to print and page and page setup. If you want to set up the page to be, it depends on the size format, maybe A4. Do you want it to be a landscape? Do you want it to be a portrait? Yeah, so we want it to be like this. So okay, then now we can now export. Now export. If you want to export in JPEG, we can see this. We can do this. Do the same. We can come here and simply change from PDF to JPEG. Yes, or PNG. Depends on us. Okay. Thank you very much.